welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look. It's a fun cut crease with a pop of color in the eyes and a pop of color on the lips. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. So for today's look, I'm doing a cut crease, which is awesome because I know everyone's into cut creases lately. Using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I'm going to be using mostly the browns and these peachy tones. And then a pop of this green in the corner. Which is going to be fun. So, guys, I like to start with a eyeshadow base, and this is my nyxcosmetics eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna apply this all over the eye. Bring it up to the brow bone, in the inner corner, and underneath the eye. So to start, I want to start with this color right here, which is called Lure. I'm gonna apply that on the crease, and I'm gonna blend that very lightly. Key to a nice cut crease is to blend, and I think that's the key for any look, but for a cut crease, especially when you want to get your crease area nice, is to blend. After you blended that color nicely, I'm going to be taking this color, which is Eden, and I'm going to be taking a fluffy brush by Luxie, and it's the number 229, and I'm going to be taking that color. I'm going to apply that on the crease as well. So what we're doing is you're building up the color and darkening up the crease little by little. So I'm just going to be again applying that and blending. So blend it out to the point where it's really nicely blended and you don't have any harsh lines or any streaks, and it looks nice and blended. So you see I'm bringing it up little by little and blending that as well. So we're going to be in the crease and bringing it up just a tiny bit. And I'm also bringing the color down to the inner corner. We're going to add Saturn, which is darker, a little bit darker than Eden. And we're going to apply that in the crease as well. We're going to focus it more in the inner crease. So underneath where the color Eden is, you're going to focus that more in that area and blend it out as well. I'm going to go in with a blending brush with the color Eden that I used the first time and just blending that a little more. After I apply that color, I have the top color, which is a light peach, and then a little darker peach in the middle of the crease. I go in with the brown color, and I'm going to be using a small accent brush, which is a small flat brush. So I'm going to be taking Parallel, which is this brown right here, and making an outline for the cut. So I'm just going to apply that right in the crease area. I have to apply a little above normal because I have a little fold.
So here I'm just blending out the brown color with my medium-sized flat brush, and I'm just making sure that's well blended. And if it gets down to the lid, it doesn't matter because you're going to be covering that with concealer. So after I apply the brown color on the crease, I'm going in with my concealer, and today I'm using the Revolution concealer, and I'm also using a small concealer brush which is rounded at the top because that helps with getting the concealer right at the edge of the eyelid. So we're going to be applying that all over the lid, taking your time and being very precise because you don't want to get that on the crease. And you're going to bring that down to where your little angled wing is at the end. And you're just going to make sure that before you apply the eyeshadow that you're going to be applying on top, you make sure that it dries out at least a little bit so that it's tacky and it doesn't crease once you apply the eyeshadow. So yeah, the key here is just to be patient and take your time with the concealer. So after we apply the concealer, I'm going in with this nice light tan color from the Prism palette. And I'm just patting that color all over the lid and down to the wing of the look. And I'm just making sure that I pat it down nicely and gently so that it doesn't go on the crease. Next step is the liquid eyeliner, and I'm using the NYX Cosmetics Vinyl Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be winging it out. And my dumbass forgot to record when I was putting the eyeshadows underneath my eye, but I just used the two peachy colors for the underneath of the eyes.
To be adding this color here, which is Sphere. I'm going to be applying that in the inner corner of the eyes, and I'm going to be putting a little bit of concealer there before I apply the eyeshadow because that helps make the color pop up more. Apply a little bit of concealer on the brush and then apply that concealer on the inner corner. And then I'm going to take that beautiful color and I'm going to use this pencil brush and take it and apply it in the inner corner. There she goes. After I do the eyes, I'm gonna go in with a little bronzer. And this is my Pure Cosmetics bronzer, and I'm just gonna be bronzing up the cheeks a bit. For blush, I'm gonna be using this Pretty Vulgar blush that I got in my BoxyCharm and I've been loving. And I'm just gonna apply that on the apples of the cheeks and bring it down to the contour. Highlights, I'm going to be using Babe in Paradise. And today I'm going to be using Vacation. And of course, I'm going to be using the fan brush because I'm a fan of the fan brush. I'm going to be applying a little on my nose, bringing it up a little bit above the eyebrow, on the chin, on the cupid's bow, and then on the cheeks. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Okay, so after I apply my highlight, I forgot to apply some on my brow bone. So I'm going to take Vacation again and apply it on the brow bone. So So now for the lips, I'm going to be doing something fun today. I wanted to pop the lips. So I'm going to be using this NYX liquid suede lipstick, and this is in the color Pink Lust. So I'm going to be applying that. Girl, look at that. I'll be applying that on the lips. I love that. Applying lip gloss because I like lip gloss. So I'm applying this Malbec Noyah lip gloss on top of the lipstick. This is the finished look. If you liked it, please like and share. Please share with everyone. Share with your mother, share with your friends, share with your cousins. Get me to 1,000 subscribers. I hope you really liked this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was fun. And if you like videos like this, or if you like this video, please comment below and let me know, and I'll make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.